Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we look into a famous news going around, which is the divorce of Bill and Melinda Gates. We'll look into the 5 reasons behind their divorce. We'll also look into the allegations against Bill Gates, which is being circulated in the media reports. So who are these people? Bill Gates is fourth richest man of the world today, and he has been constantly listed in Forbes richest men of the world since 1987. So Melinda Gates is his wife, and Bill Gates is also co-founder of Microsoft. He is a famous philanthropist. He and his wife together run the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and the foundation has donated approximately $36 billion till now. So the foundation works in the field of social health and education. It has also helped the Indian government finance many of its projects. So now we know who are these people and why this split matters this much. So let's look into the 5 reasons behind the split. So the first reason behind the split is said to be the flirtatious behavior of Bill Gates, which he had with many women since 1994 while he was married to wife Melinda. There were 2 instances where 2 women has come out and they has confirmed that he has asked them out for dinner, but they denied to go with him, but he never pressurized after that. Of course, that time nobody came out because he was the head of the Microsoft, but now these people are coming out after the divorce has been announced. The third main reason behind the split is said to be his connection with the pedophile Jeffrey Epstein. So the Bill and Epstein link is said to be behind the split. Who was Jeffrey Epstein? Jeffrey Epstein was a serial woman and child trafficker and offender. He was jailed for that, and he committed suicide in the jail in the year 2019. Bill was connected to Epstein because Bill believed that Epstein would help him secure the Nobel Peace Prize. So that's interesting, and that continued their relationship in spite of the infamous character of Jeffrey Epstein. The fourth reason behind the split is said to be that he held an inappropriate sexual relationship with a staffer in 2000, and the Microsoft board started investigating the allegations, but it never could, because before it would do that, Bill Gates resigned from his seat in March 2020. So moving ahead, the fifth and last allegation was he had an affair with his own money manager, and there were sexual harassment claim against him by the money manager Michelle Larsen in 2018. So now we know that there were many uncomfortable things going around the couple for so long that now in recent times the wife and husband has announced that they had decided to split and pursue their individual lives separately. So that's all, folks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.